Hi, I'm Chris, the manager here at Zeaport Equipment. We are a Xerox independent dealer or Xerox retail reseller. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to get into the Xerox CentreWare for the machine to do adjustments or settings changes. And the first thing you have to do is get the IP address of the machine. To get that, you would go to the device button, the about button, and get the IP. Go scroll down to the IP address if it's not broadcasted on the main screen. Once you have that IP address, you're going to go here and type it in the address bar. You're not going to type that in the search bar, which is down there. You type it up here in the address bar. And then this is security. Your connection isn't private. It's just letting you know that it's not private. That you don't want to do anything wrong here. So here you click advanced, and you continue to it, and you go to the Xerox CentreWare. This is what they call CentreWare, or the settings of the machine. And this is the actual machine in its settings memory. So you have several options here. Right now, I have several things I need to take care of. I have a magenta toner that is near the end of life. I have a black toner that is near the end of life. Now, for a situation like this, you would want to get a couple toners on hand and ready. You could call us and get those, or send me an email to print@zeaportequipment.com. This also shows the trays. Tray 3 is empty, tray 4 is empty, tray 2 is empty. So it basically only has paper in tray 1. And you can see that here. You see a little bit of white here in the number 1. And the 2, 3, and 4 are all dark. There's no light. It does show the sizes. And these are your basic settings. This is your home page. You could download the driver to install the printer. And that would be another way to install the printer. You could also go to the Xerox website and install the printer from there. You can go here to the address book, and to enter, you need the admin and password username. Admin is lowercase admin, and the password is 1111. Then you log in from there. This is your address, or your address book, and you can manually add a contact. You could import your contacts, however you wanted to do that, but you would use these for emails and whatnot, basically emails. Here you could print an actual document through here without having the printer set up. You would choose a file from your computer, and then you would submit the job, and it would print your file. But here's your properties. And this is where you would set up your email and your network scanning. So basically, we would go to connectivity, setup, and this is where you would have your wired connection. And we actually have it on a Wi-Fi right now, so we could go here to your wireless network interface. Let's see here. Yeah, and it has your IP address, and then we would click edit. And this is where you could get your DNS settings. If you set up email or scanning, you're going to need your DNS settings set up right, and we could show your DNS settings. And it has some here that are internal settings. But if you do set up email, you're going to need all this requested domain name. You're going to need additional settings. They're here showing here, so that's all right. But this is your domain name search list in order. So you could see we have Comcast here. And the next thing we want to see is our apps. And we want to go to email and setup. And this is where you would set up your SMTP or your email. Each machine would need an email to email from in order to send an email. Usually we use a Gmail. That's the easiest email to use if you don't have one already with the two-step verification. We used a Gmail, and we use an SMTP authentication app password to set that up. I'll show you that here. and we would click device, and your login name would be your email address, and your password would not be your email address's password. It would be the app password. You have to create one in the security section of your Gmail account. A lot of people get that confused. So if there's any questions on that, you can give me a call, 630-894-9420, or email me at print@zeaportequipment.com. Thank you.